In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an epic in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. When you're managing projects in Jira, organizing your tasks effectively is crucial. One of the best ways to do this is by creating an epic. An epic serves as a large body of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks. It's a great way to manage substantial features or projects over time. So let's get started. The first step, of course, is to log in to your Jira account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. If you're new to Jira, it may look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Once you're on your dashboard, the next thing you will want to do is click on the Create button. It's usually located in the top navigation bar, and it simplifies the process of creating new items, whether it is a task, bug, or, in our case, an epic. Click that button, and you'll be taken to the Create Issue screen. Now the next step involves selecting your board. If you're part of multiple projects or teams, make sure to select the correct board where you want to create your epic. It's like picking which notebook you want to write in. Consistent organization makes life much easier. Once you've selected your board, it's time to specify the work type. In this instance, you will want to choose Epic from the drop-down menu. This helps to categorize what you're creating. By selecting the work type as Epic, you're indicating that this task will be larger and will encompass several smaller tasks or stories. Now let's move on to naming your epic. This is a critical step because it's what your team will refer to when discussing or tracking this portion of the project. Choose a name that accurately reflects the work involved in the epic. It could be something straightforward like website redesign, or a bit more abstract if that suits your project's needs. After naming your epic, the next step is to add a description. This is your chance to provide context and details about the epic. Explain what it's about, its goals, and any particulars that are essential for your team to know. A good description can make all the difference when it comes to keeping everyone aligned and on the same page. Next up, you'll see a button that says Show More. Click on it, and this will expand the form to give you more options. Here you can add additional details such as the epic's start date, due date, or any other pertinent information that would help your team understand the scope and deadlines associated with the work. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, take a moment to review everything. After you've ensured that everything looks good, you can click on the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! You've just created your epic in Jira. Now you will be directed to a page that confirms your epic has been successfully created. Here you can see all the details you've just entered. If you want to dive deeper, there's usually an option to click on View Epic. This allows you to see the epic in the context of your board or project, helping you to visualize how it contributes to the overall goals. And there you have it. You have successfully created an epic in Jira. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Creating epics can significantly enhance your project management experience by allowing you to break down huge projects into manageable parts. Be sure to explore the other options available in Jira to fully utilize its capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up.